Hello everyone, welcome to the new session. So now we will discuss something about probability and statistics. So already we have given you some preliminary structure of probability, and also we have given what is the definition of probability, how we can solve some of the important problems, basic problems of probability using our elementary knowledge. So today's class we discuss something which is very important, which is called conditional probability. So suppose conditional probability. So suppose there are two events A and B. Okay, suppose B is happening in the background, then we are saying how many times A is happening. That is called conditional probability, condition A over B. That is, already B is happening, then what is the case A? So this is called conditional probability. So A by B, this is the event. So this means occurrence of A when B is happening already. That is, first of all, say there are 6 positions are there. Out of these 6 positions, in 4 cases B is already happening and A is happening, suppose here, so this is B, 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 B. A is happening, suppose here, here and here. Now P of A by B, that will be 2, because already B is happening in this 4th place. Out of this, A is happening in 3 places, but 2 places like that when B is happening in the background. Okay, so probability of A by B, this event will be 2 cases will be there, and total there are 6 cases, so it will be 1/3. That is the meaning of this one. Okay, but all the time you may not able to draw this one, or you may not able to do that one. So how to solve this? So this definition is P of AB divided by P of B, provided P of B not equals to 0. So that is P of A by B, that is A condition B, that is B is happening in the background, that is P of A intersection B or AB divided by P of B. So that means P of AB, I can write P of A by B into P of B, and this is called compound probability. Fine. Now in a similar manner, what you can write, P of B by A also you can write. That is, now in the background A is happening, and out of that how many times B is happening. So this is actually P of BA divided by P of A. You always remember the formula, if it is divided by B, so it should be B in the denominator. If it is divided by A, so it should be A in the denominator. So what is that? P of BA equals to P of B by A into P of A, and BA and AB same thing, A intersection B, B intersection A is exactly same thing. So basically these two are equal. So what we get? P of A by B into P of B equals to P of B by A into P of A. Fine. So this is one of the important things. Next, independent event. What is the meaning of independent event? Two events A and B will be independent If it is, that is, event A is not influencing event B is not influencing event A, that is P of AB will be P of A into P of B. If this is happening, then it is called independent event, that is A and B are purely independent. The same thing you can generalize for anything like A1, A2, AN, then they will be independent. If it is, it can be written P of A1, P of A2, P of AN. Okay, and we will be doing some more problem, but before that we want to give you some idea of some set theory. So in set theory, so now suppose we want to prove P of A plus B. What does that mean? P of A union B is nothing but 1 minus P of A bar B bar. So now carefully you think, I want to draw two diagrams and you see whether they are equal or not. Say this is the universal set, this is A, this is B. So A plus B means A union B. This actually means union, right? So union means the all points of A and B. That means this one. Now go to the right hand side. What is A bar? So this is U. If it is A bar means, so let me just draw the same thing so that you can understand. This is A and this is B. So A bar means except A, that is except this circle, whatever is there, all are A bar. That is A bar should be there in B also. B bar. What is B bar? B bar means except this rectangle, whatever is there, that is B bar. Now A bar intersection B bar, that is the common portion of A bar and B bar. So now common means where this kind of lines are there, this kind of lines are also there, that is common. What is common then? That is except this one and except this one, this outside portion is P of A bar B bar. Understand? And 1 means the total is 1. So 1 means the outside. So what is remaining? Remaining is this one. Okay? So that is one of the very important formula. So many problems can be there. So P of A plus B can be written 1 minus P of A bar into B bar. So using this Venn diagram, you can easily understand that one. Next, another formula is there, which is P of A bar B equals to P of A plus B minus P of A. So this also you can understand by same Venn diagram. And if you simplify, we know P of A plus B means P of A plus P of B minus P of AB minus P of A is there. So P of A will be getting cancelled. So it is basically P of B minus P of AB. So another formula is P of A bar B equals to P of B minus P of AB. So using set theory or Venn diagram, you can easily show that. Now let us give some problem and let us try to understand that one. So the problem is this: if P of A equals to half P of B equals to 1/3, P of AB equals to 1/4. What is P of A by B? What do you know the formula? It is divided by B, so it should be P of AB divided by P of B. Now P of AB means 1/4 divided by P of B means 1/3, so it is basically 3/4. P of B by A means probability of B by A means probability of A should be there in the denominator, and it should be P of AB. So that is basically 1/4 divided by half, so basically half. And you can find that one also, P of A bar B, that is P of B minus P of AB, so that is 1/3 minus 1/4, so 1/12. So you can do many calculation using this kind of formula, okay. And also you can check whether they are independent or not, okay. So if they are independent, what is the condition for independent? Independent condition is that P of AB equals to P of A into P of B. Now P of A into P of B is 1/6, but P of AB is 1/4, so they are not equal, so they are not independent, okay. So that is the thing. Now the question is that many what problems may be there based on that. So let me do one problem, what problem, and then we can complete this lecture, okay. The problem is a salesman have 80% chance to sell a product. The behavior of customer is independent. So if two customer X and Y enter into a shop, what is the probability that the product will be sold? Okay. So what is given, that if I am a salesman, the ability to sell a product is 80%. That is, the probability to sell a product is 80/100, that is 8/10 or 4/5, okay. Now two customers are entered inside the shop, one is X, another is Y. So that is, X can buy, may not, Y can buy or may not. So if I first just write this one, so let us create two event. So A is one event that X will buy, and B is another event that Y will buy. Now what is the probability that the product will be sold? So the product will be sold, that means product can be taken by A, or it can be taken by B, or it can be taken by both. So basically we have to find what is probability of A plus B. Now we know already probability of A, that is X will buy, that is the selling product, is 80%, that is 80/100, so it is 4/5. Probability of B is 4/5. Now the behavior of the customer is independent, so A and B are not dependent, they are independent. So probability of AB, that will be probability of A into probability of B, so that is 4/5 into 4/5, this is 16/25. So probability of A plus B, what? That will be probability of A so if you just calculate, it will be 8/5 minus 16/25, so it will be 25, it will be 40 minus 16, so 24/25. So that is the final answer. So the question I think is much longer than the answer. So basically you have to understand, whenever any word problem will be there, you have to find the key point, that is the 80% chance. So the probability is 80/100. Independent, so A into B is probability of A into probability of B, and the product will be sold, that is either A or B. So either or means union, union means plus. So that is the whole idea. So that's all for this class. You practice this type of problem, try to understand the formulas of probability in set theory approach. It will be easier for you to understand. Thank you very much.